Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming access to the Google account linked to the lost phone. This is essential because Android ties Imei access to account and carrier records. Once done, sign in on another device and open Find My Device or Google Dashboard to look for registered devices. Make sure you also have your carrier login or the phone box handy. Carriers store Imei numbers. These first steps cut time and let you move quickly into retrieving both Imei entries. Next, access Google Dashboard and go to devices where your phone appears. Google often shows device details including Imei. If the dashboard lacks it, check the original box or purchase receipt. Manufacturers print both Imei there, especially for dual SIM models. You should see Imei 1 and Imei 2, note them exactly. If you have carrier account access, open the device list. Carriers commonly display both Imei tied to your line. This step ensures you can. Finally, call your mobile carrier and verify your account to have them confirm or provide both Imei. Carriers can also block or blacklist the device using these numbers. Once you have both Imei, file a police report if the phone is stolen and include the numbers so officers and carriers can act. Make sure to save the Imei in a secure password manager and take screenshots for backup. If you can't find Imei, recheck receipts and carrier records as the troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.